In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a payment receipt in Xero. If you've been navigating the Xero platform and want to ensure your clients receive confirmations of their transactions, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see a variety of menu options. Here, you'll click on Sales in the top bar. This action will trigger a drop-down menu to appear, offering a few different options. From this menu, you'll want to select Invoices. This section houses all your invoicing activities, making it the ideal starting point for sending payment receipts. Now, when you click on Invoices, a new page will load, showing you different tabs that categorize your invoices. To find the ones that have already been paid, navigate to the Paid tab. This section specifically lists all the invoices that have been settled, so it's crucial for locating the right transaction. Next, find the specific paid invoice for which you'd like to send a receipt. Clicking on the invoice will take you to a detailed page that highlights everything you need to know about that transaction. Here, you should see a list of payments associated with the invoice. To delve deeper, click on the specific payment that interests you. This will lead you to more detailed information about the transaction, including when it was made and who it was from. With the payment details in view, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find an Options menu. Clicking on this menu reveals several choices. For our purpose, you should select Send Receipt. This step generates the option for compiling an email alongside the payment details. At this point, you'll be prompted to input the requisite details for the email receipt. This involves adding the recipient's email address, confirming the subject line, and ensuring any personalized message is entered if necessary. Make sure you double-check these details for accuracy, since this information will be sent directly to your client or recipient. Once everything is verified to be correct, the final step is simple. Click the Send button to dispatch the payment receipt immediately to your client. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and send out payment receipts through Xero, ensuring both professionalism and transparency in your business transactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials to navigate your business tools effectively.